Hi everyone, friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can recover deleted contacts on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments after watching this video, and let us get started with you. So, if you accidentally deleted some contact from your phone, from the phone book, and you can basically immediately restore it. To do this, you'll need to go to your phone settings. Then click on your name at the top to go to your Apple ID. Then you click on iCloud. And then you go to Show All. And this is where you select your contacts. And you'll need to turn off contact synchronization for a while. And then you select Copy to My iPhone. So all the contacts that you have deleted, that you don't have deleted, all will be copied to iCloud storage. After that, you re-enable synchronization. Then all your contacts will be added to iCloud storage, will be copied, and you can re-add some contacts to your phone book. This way, you will be able to recover your deleted contacts. And that was one method. The second method. To do this, you'll need to open Safari. And in the search box, you're going to type in contacts.google.com. And once you do that, once you've navigated through, you'll get a list of contacts like this. I have, as you can see, 297. You may have less or more. And let's say, if you want to add, restore, import, let's say, some of your Google contacts, you'd have to select those contacts. And click on them a few times to mark them like this. And then you will need to click on the three dots and select Export. Then you will be able to choose, for example, the file format in which these contacts will be exported to your phone. Then you will be able to open these contacts on your phone in a file format. This is how you will be able to recover deleted contacts on your iPhone, friends. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write comments, and see you soon.